Hello friends, Bill here with Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips, and I am in a dress shirt and shorts. Go figure, it's 95 degrees out, so we made a compromise. And I am sitting in the cab of my 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid. I've done a number of videos about this truck, and it's always fun when you receive something that you can try out that would help augment or improve some of the inside the cab storage capacity. So today, I've got two different items I want to show you. One of them is called the Dashboard Storage Organizer Insert with magnetic lid. It's got a hidden panel secret compartment, and it fits so easily right up here on top of the screen into the kind of the cubby hole where perhaps you'd been storing just a couple of things. Now you have an extra level of tray up here, which is really pretty handy. And the good news is about this insert is that it fits quite securely, and there's no rattling, there's no looseness, there's no trouble with it kind of sliding around in that space. And if you have something you want to store up in this front unit, like I do with my sunglasses, you still have the lid that sits right down on that space and allows you to keep things concealed under this magnetic lid. There's also another row of tray right back here behind it where you can put some other things, and that way you have additional storage capacity here on your console. Now, the other item that we're looking at today is actually a pair of items. They come in a pair, and these are the center console shifter storage boxes. Now, these slide right down here along your center console. They are already angled so that they attach quite easily onto the sides, and now instead of having to put everything up in the center console, you have an additional spot on either side for whatever else you might want to store there. Now, the cool thing about these is that not only do they install instantly, there's not really an installation process, you just put them on there, but once you peel this strip back, you can actually have some adhesive that will attach this to the side and kind of make it a little more reliable, a little more firm in its attachment. Also, inside both of these is a base pad that's made out of rubber, so that you don't have, if you put coins in here, you're not going to have the coins clicking around and making a lot of noise and kind of irritating you and moving all over the place. Now, in my car, on the driver's side, I probably won't use this part because I don't really like my leg hitting something when I'm driving, but to have this added storage over here on the passenger side makes a lot of sense. So there you have two very simple, very cleverly designed products that just slide into the spaces that your Maverick already has and gives you extra storage to help make a somewhat smaller cab a little more versatile and a little more convenient. Thanks for watching. Check out the link in the description below. Please hit subscribe so that you're a part of Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips moving forward. And we'll talk to you next time as we continue reviewing, well, a little bit of everything under the sun.